Hey there! Welcome back to Rent-Own Sell. Today, we've got a pressing issue to discuss: that mysterious Freon leak smell in your home. It's not just annoying, it could also be harmful. So, stay tuned as we uncover the mystery and learn how to deal with it. Have you ever walked into your home and been greeted by a strange, unpleasant odor? If it smells like something's gone wrong with your HVAC system, you might be dealing with a Freon leak. But before we dive into the smell, let's talk about Freon. Freon is a refrigerant used in many air conditioning systems. It helps cool the air in your home. However, if it leaks, it can cause problems. So, how do you identify that distinct Freon leak smell? It's often described as pungent, chemical-like, or even slightly sweet. If you notice this odor, it's time to take action. Now, let's address why this smell is a cause for concern. Freon leaks can pose health risks, including dizziness, nausea, and skin irritation. Prolonged exposure can be dangerous. If you suspect a Freon leak, here are some immediate steps to take. 1. Turn off your HVAC system. 2. Ventilate your home by opening windows and doors. 3. Leave the premises if the smell is strong. 4. Contact a professional HVAC technician. Should you try to fix it yourself or call a professional? Well, it depends on your expertise. Some minor issues can be DIY'd, but for major leaks, always consult a pro. Prevention is the key to avoiding Freon leaks. Regular maintenance by a professional can help keep your system in top shape and prevent leaks from occurring. So, there you have it: how to identify and deal with that pesky Freon leak smell. Remember, your health and safety come first. If in doubt, call in the experts. Don't forget to subscribe to Rent-Own Sell for more home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.